Hey guys, it's me, Emily. I am one of the Living Lovely ladies, and I'm here with another vlog. "2018 has been going on for a couple of months now, and I had all these ideas on how to try new things and just all around adult better, and I am epically failing. I had this grand idea that I would start just looking more like an adult and like getting ready and doing my hair and my makeup, because unlike Beyonce, I do not wake up like that, and I am definitely not flawless. And even though I had these grand ideas, I have not done a single thing. Like, I still roll out of bed and my hair is in a top knot messy bun, emphasis on messy. But when I was on Pinterest the other day, I saw this tutorial on diffusing your hair with a kitchen strainer. I don't even know what diffusing really is. I found out later that diffusers are used to help curly hair not use their distributing waves, something like that, you know? In the tutorial I found, there were no pictures or no videos, but I'm gonna give this a try, and it is all going to be on camera. So stay tuned to watch me try and figure out how to make my hair more presentable with a kitchen item. I also found pictures after doing this of what it should have ended up like. Step 1, start with wet hair. Check. Cup curls and strainer. Lift to roots. Check. Step 3, turn blow dryer on. Check. Maybe this will work. Y'all, this is a disaster. Step 4, turn blow dryer off. Move to next section. Check. Step 5, release my beautiful lion's mane for the whole world to see. Maybe not. What is this? Well, y'all, that was a complete and total epic fail. I highly recommend keeping the kitchen strainer in the kitchen and not as a hair diffuser. I recommend finding out what a diffuser is and using an actual hair diffuser if you want your hair to not turn out into a frizzy ball of just nonsense. So I have turned back to my ever so wonderful messy bun, and I will rock it until I find something that does work and does help me become more of an adult. And I'm determined to find a hobby or just be an all-around more effective adult this year. So you can see that happen in the upcoming videos. If you like this or you want to see more from Living Lovely, definitely hit subscribe, like us on Facebook. You can follow us on Instagram, show it to a friend, stick around because there's more to come. Bye, y'all.